Hello everyone. So today we are going to add another type of enemy bug where when the enemy detect the player and also when the enemy hear a major disturbance. So when the enemy get detected, so see we saw the enemy bug found him. So that will be randomized based on the situation. So if I make a shooting sound over there, so he's saying over there and kind of running away and searching. See, found him here. So those are the things that we are going to add today for the enemy box system. Alright, so far in this enemy box system we have implemented this how they respond to minor noises or minor disturbances like this whistle sound basically, and then when they are searching they do like taking a look, and if they don't find anything, going back. So that's basically all we have implemented with some randomizations of the things that they say. So now I want to implement some enemy bugs or some verbal responses that they say when they hear some major disturbance. For example, shooting. So here we need to have a different set of responses. So like rather than like what's that and casually searching, this should be like a bit more aggressive. Who's that? What's happening? Something like that. So yeah, to implement that, let's see. In the enumerations I have this AI bug types. So I have minor noise, nothing found, searching. So I'm gonna add major noise here. So when we have a major noise, in order to implement responding, let's see. Now we need to add a set of responses for the major noise also. So through this now. Alright. Here now bug type. For the bugs we only have searching, nothing found, minor noise. Now we can't add because the default value is here minor noise and that is already there. So to prevent that, let's add another enumerator as none. So this will make things easier in the future when we try to add another one. So now if I add, okay, it becomes none. Now we can change this to major noise. So for a major noise, what kind of things the enemy should say? So I'll say take cover. Because either someone is shooting or something is exploding or something like over there. That should be enough. I don't have any other ideas for now. So right Now these are the bugs for major noise. So where can we call these major noises? So for that, let's go into the AI and AI controller. Sorry, not in this AI controller behavior tree. Major threat, not major noise. But that's okay because I have used minor noise here. So major threat. So here let's add what's the task? PT task doc. Okay, here I'll set major noise. Right, I think that should be enough. Now let's shoot and see if the enemy says anything. Yeah, he says over there. Yeah. So after a while, if the enemy don't see me, they are doing a normal search. That's why I see the usual stuff. Let me search again. Okay. Okay. Now another bug we need is when the enemies see the player. So I'll add another one on C. So again we need another to add another bug element on C. Found him. Here. Over here. Right, that should be enough for the demonstration. And where is it? The detected. Oh, this is detection. So detected part is not actually something that happens here, because here we have this is the detecting state, and here the character keep focused on the enemy, and when this locked actor is set, that is the detected state. So in the place where we set the locked actor, we should play an enemy bar that says the enemy is detected, or the player is detected by the enemy. So for that we need to find go to the place where we set the locked actor. I think locked here, update target actor, no, on C. This is where the player detection happens. Okay, if I play found him like a clip here, that would be more appropriate. So when the play is detected, exactly here. So where should I play it? Maybe here. So we need to access, so we need to call the npc character stock function, basically. Get controlled point. What's the function name? Yeah, talk. And the bark type is on sim. See, I got the here. Let's get detected without shooting with the detection bar. See here, that's the function. Let's see if we get anything different. Oh, it's always here. Why am I not getting anything different? That's one. Yeah, but it's random. I will eventually get something different. Found him. Okay, see. Alright. So yeah, thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And in future episodes, we will continue to work on the bugs to add different add bugs for other different scenarios the AI characters will face. So yeah, see you in another episode. Goodbye.